Are you unable to open WhatsApp in your Android device? If yes, worry not, you are not alone. In this video, I will help you how to solve this error in just 3 easy steps. It is going to be 3 easy methods. You can try and let me know which method works in the comment section. Method 1. Navigate to Settings. In here, scroll down to Apps. Go to WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp. In here, go to Storage. In here, just click on the Clear Cache. Now your cache has been cleared. Now just try to open WhatsApp. If you're still unable to open WhatsApp, click on Manage Storage and clear the entire app data. Step 2. Open WhatsApp again from the apps over here and give permissions for everything. Mainly contacts, files and media, camera, location and everything. You can allow permissions by clicking on them. For example, camera, allow while using the app. This is how you can allow permissions for your WhatsApp. Step 3 and method 3, and this is going to be the most important and a very useful method, that is to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. Just go to Play Store and search for WhatsApp, and in here just click on WhatsApp and make sure your WhatsApp is up to date to the latest version. Once you do all this, just click on Open from here. Now most probably, as you can see, my WhatsApp has been opened. Like this, your WhatsApp will also be working. If it's still not working, just tell to me what error you're facing and I can make a separate video for it. So if this video was helpful to you, just make sure to click on the like button and the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button if you want more such videos. It's me Surya Prakash from Protech Genius signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.